Well, I'm recording this video blog through YouTube Live facility. Tried and tested earlier, so thought to utilize this amazing platform. I have been watching some of my friends, those who create video blogs for various things. They also try and utilize this, so I also thought to do it. So, friends, let me quickly tell you why am I available before you all through this YouTube Live. So the reason for this YouTube Live is, friends, because I have decided that there are very many questions that I do receive via way of comments on my video blogs. I should also try and address those, and I can try and give a holistic or a generic opinion on that. So in case if some of you are also facing similar issues, so you can take advantage of this video blog. All right, okay, so if you guys are watching this video blog for the first time, you come to my channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe it. And let me quickly begin with today's video blog. So friends, in my comment box I have received this query. My boyfriend is denying to get married post he told me when we were into relationship that we will get married. Now, what should I do in a situation like this? Well, this is this question, so to say, is a very generic, though I strongly believe that we can address a couple of things via way of this video blog. So friends, this is being seen on numerous occasions, that litigations do come before various courts, primarily wherein prosecutrix female who says that so and so person actually told me at the beginning when we've started this relationship that we'll get married, and by virtue of that I happen to establish a relationship which is not only emotional relationship, that relationship is also a physical relationship. Now what do I do in a situation like that? And I'm sorry, I during this video blog, since it's a live, I may receive some of the comments. Please don't take an offense if I do not address anyone. So yes, what comment I have received, it's a situation of a 376. If in a situation like that what we've discussed, wherein a girl says that my boyfriend told me earlier that we'll get married, on pretext of marriage I happen to have a sexual relationship with this boyfriend of mine. Now he is denying to get married. So friends, yes, this is correct. It is one of those situations wherein it attracts criminal provisions under Indian Penal Code, or a POSCO in case if that prosecutrix is a minor in this situation. When it comes to courts pertaining to sexual offenses, I don't say it's a settled law, but yes, when you understand section 376, or a crime against women of a sexual in nature, as per the statute in place, this is considered to be a crime against society. And yes, this attracts section 376, under which when it comes to the imprisonment, that's a serious offense. This is correct, it's a non-bailable offense. But I'm coming back to the question of my this subscriber who happened to write me this question, that said, what do I do in a situation like this? So dear, since you've asked me this question, it seems like that you've told this boyfriend of yours that you do expressly want to get married to him, and this is why you've established that sexual relationship. So if post establishing that sexual relationship, this boyfriend of yours is saying that I will not marry you, yes, this will attract criminal offenses. To report this, you have all the right to visit to a women police station or to a local police station of yours, wherein you can go and you can file a complaint and obviously the police will file the complaint under relevant sections of Indian Penal Code. Since you did not describe what your exact age is, so yeah, I cannot talk about the fact that will POSCO be attracted or not. But yes, it's a crime against humanity. It's a crime against you. My suggestion is that you visit the nearest police station and you can file a case. But again, like I said at the beginning, we will not only address what can be done legally, we will also talk about something which is very important in this. I must tell you something. There's a saying, by beating somebody, you can make that person sit somewhere, but you can't force that person to do, security for you. So when at the beginning of a relationship, when you were about to get married to this guy, he did not come along with you. I kind of doubt his intentions going forward, in case even if you get married to him, how things will be there for you. My suggestion is, be strong on that regard. And if you, still believe, that this gentleman has harassed you, has caused you mental and physical pain, my suggestion is this: you can visit the nearest police station, and certainly you can file a case based on whatever incidents have took place. The presiding officer will take account of it, and based on that will file your case. Like I said, be strong. My suggestion is that thank you that you've written this comment to me. I would suggest you to get in touch and have conversation with people, those who are close to you. Let's say a friend of yours, or let's say a family member, or in case if they are already aware about it, do have due consultations with them in terms of how you wish to proceed in terms of this case legally. Because understand that be it you're a prosecutrix here, or be it you're a defendant, when you get into a case, there are very many things that you should be well prepared about. And yes, again, like I'm saying, you should not let any of such offense not reported. Make sure that you visit the nearest police station to file complaint in this. I must tell you this, that the law has your back, and in cases like these, due course as per law will be taken. However, like I said at the beginning, I will be addressing both side issues in this very video. So if you believe that there are ways wherein you can get in touch with this boyfriend of yours, you can let him know the consequences, you can let him know why you out to press these charges. See in case if you can get some sort of suggestions or some sort of way out, because like I have said at the beginning, 376 or a rape is considered to be an offense against society. However, when it comes to a sex, when we are referring here to a sex with somebody who's an adult, and this occurrence has took place with the consent of each other. So in this situation, when it comes to trial, these cases are dealt with obviously the crime against society, but when it comes to how courts do perceive it, courts do also see it from the point of view that what is that specific reason why this guy is denying to get married to you. So keep that point also into account before you file this very complaint before the police station. But since you've asked for a legal opinion, it sort of suggests that at this point in time you've tried all your ways out. So speak with your family, figure out a way, get in touch with a local practitioner, and then file your detailed complaint. That's what my suggestion is. Guys, from this video onwards, you will see at times I'll also come live, and I'll also try and answer if people have questions via way of a live. I'll see if I can fix a day wherein I can come live, and you guys can ask your questions, and I can try and answer those questions via way of a live way. Let me tell you one more thing, friends. When it comes to cases of that nature, wherein two consenting adults have had sexual relationship, and then obviously by whichever ways, if that relationship is not surviving, It is, one of the way wherein when it comes to a prosecutrix, she's got no option but just to file a case in that very situation. My suggestion is that the families, those who are there with that person, they need to make sure that they support a prosecutrix in this entire process. See, in case if you guys can figure out a way, because at times when let's say the guy is denying to get married, they may be reasons, those are just pertaining to this guy who's here in question. At times that can also be reasons beyond his control, or reasons so to say when it comes to reasons via way of a family, both the families and so on and so forth. We live in a society wherein everybody's got opinion, and obviously close one's opinion do matter. So that's pretty much, guys. This is a little video blog that I'm creating just to address this question which was asked to me. If you're also a victim of situation like this, what she said, yes, you have a legal remedy wherein you can go to a nearest police station, or you can email, or can write to a crime against women. You can make a phone call. There are various numbers available. You can also write to the authorities. You can also get in touch with your nearest women police station. So that's pretty much you can do. Again, like I said, if because of this issue you've come across in a mental trauma, don't forget to consult to some person who's educated enough to help you with this entire process, or get in touch with a friend or a family with whom you can share things, and you can come out from this horrible thing in a positive way. All right, friends, so this is it in today's video blog. I hope since you're watching this video blog, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do hit subscribe and bell icon, so when I'm preparing this kind of video blogs, those should reach to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching this video blog, people. You have a wonderful day.